I wouldn't buy it, but that's me. I don't think gold is the hedge against inflation. We're seeing proof of that in the last several weeks. I mean, oil is the real hedge against inflation. If you're looking for a commodity that is going to be a hedge against inflation, the notion that gold is going to be a currency, Bitcoin's going to be a currency before gold is. They're never going to allow it. But there are countries, and there is a belief that we could need to, or the world might need to get back onto a gold standard. We can never get back on a gold standard, but there are countries that believe that is going to be the case. I would love to see that happen, but it can't happen. We've printed too much money. So gold would have to go to, I don't know, $50,000 an ounce to be able to cover the money that's already printed. So it is going to be extremely unlikely, but I think there could be a commodity base standard again, which was something I've always been for. But anyway, yeah, I mean, that's fine. If you want to get out of the market and you have comfort in it, that's all that matters. Then yeah, put it into gold. It took 30 years, about 10 years ago, for gold to reach a new high. 30 years. I'm not buying any investment that may take 30 years to reach a new all-time high. Have there been days when a commodity or gold, a speculative commodity has hit some pretty good highs? Of course there have been. Have people sold in those days? No, they didn't have time to. It's too cumbersome. You can't click a mouse and be sold. You've got to find a dealer, you got to pay a 40% commission, and you got to sell it. Not to mention, nobody does sell it because every time it starts to go up, everybody thinks this is the big one, and they hold on to it. Then it drops back down again. It doesn't matter what it's hit. I can name 1,000 stocks off the top of my head that have far outperformed gold. So I don't think that really it doesn't hold anything for me, and I can sell my stocks with a click of a mouse and cost nothing to sell it. So I think that we really the problem with gold is nobody thinks logically about it, and so it becomes an illogical investment.
Hey, remember to click the subscribe button right here on the screen. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is added. And more importantly than anything, you don't want to miss all 3 live hours of Financial Issues every day from 9 to noon. And you can watch it on FISM.tv. That's FISM.tv.